Good afternoon. This is Keith Brandon, Moultrie, Georgia, with some commodity commentary for Friday. Had a great day in cotton. Of course, we had the supply-demand numbers out. USDA raised the potential for U.S. exports up 300,000. So that cut domestic ending stocks 300,000. So now we've gone from 4.8 million down to 4.5 million. And the market responded correctly. We traded up to 83 cents in March cotton, going out at 82, roughly 82.70, up 120. Surprisingly, December cotton also caught fire, and it hit 83 cents and finished out today around 82.92. That's very impressive. It looks good on the charts, and it's almost like cotton does indeed want to make an acres play in here. So bring it on, we say. World numbers saw increase in carry out about 110,000 bales. So that was minuscule versus where those bales are. Over in corn, I guess you got to be disappointed a little bit. They did raise the corn carry out, not a lot. They were last month was 602 million bushels. They were looking for 615. It came out at 630. They actually came out with a lower soybean number and a lower wheat number. Where the detrimental numbers were that total corn stocks for the world, they were looking for almost 116 million, came out at 118, so a little bearish there. And soybeans, they were looking for 59 and a quarter, it came out at 60.1, so an 800,000 uptick there. Beans really took it hard, and I don't know why they took it that hard, but we were down about 40 cents in the beans. Corn finished anywhere from down 1 3/4 to down about 3 or 4. Wheat finished mixed with spot up a quarter, new crop down 3/4 of 1 cent at 762 3/4. So yeah, just interesting. I'm not trying to make a bullish case whatsoever, but it only is February. And we don't have these crops in the ground yet. Of course, the anticipation is massive acres for corn and massive acres for beans, and that may be true. We're not particularly bullish of them, but just knowing the machinations of the market, I find it. I think it'd be selling it in the hole to do a little panic work down here, and sell the market. But if people were to cash price, we would want to buy some calls. So if you get jittery and want to do that, let me know, and we'll see about some kind of calls that you should be thinking about. Fuel today continues to go higher, even though the dollar was up. We're getting close to hitting a resistance area on this fuel, and we get a setback. We probably need to be thinking about some calls on that, although we've talked about buying those calls much earlier. So a great day for cotton. A little disappointing, perplexing, I guess, in the grains, but tomorrow's brings a new week. Or in a couple of days brings a new week. So if you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.